Welcome guys to a new video. Thank you very much for joining me. Today we are going to be looking at the Nike Air Max Terrascape 90 Midnight Navy Aqua. They're absolutely beautiful. These sneakers are absolutely beautiful. Just to look at the blends of blue, the aqua hits, the sort of UNC blue hits, very nice. We're going to be deep diving into the Terrascape 90. I'm going to be trying to help you decide if they're worth buying. Leave your thoughts, your feelings, your comments down below in the comment section. Let me know, do you like these sneakers? I got a lot to say about these. Let's just get into the review. They're super dope. Starting off with the box of sneakers coming. There's a brown box. And then you get this message inside. It says this is a shoebox, but more than that. This is an all-in-one storage, shipping and return box, which helps reduce the amount of material we use. It's made from 90% recycled materials and you can recycle it. A shoebox that does a lot with less. That's a pretty cool statement. Also, you get all the logos, Jordan, Nike, Nike SB, really cool. And again, the sneakers come with a label. Made with at least 20% recycled content. Visit Nike.com sustainability. So just before we get into the materials, the sizing and the comfort, I want to do like a little comparison to my other Terrascape 90s that I've been wearing lots of, and this is why I can confirm to you that they're worth buying. These Terrascape 90s have been with me now for I think nearly 6 months. They're my most popular sneaker on the channel video wise. They clean up nicely. I've been wearing these daily. I've done a 30-day wear test on them. Only thing I always say about the Terrascape 90s is when you first get them, they're slightly hard around this area, so you can't really do them up that tight. So if you like tight sneakers and you like a really snug fitting sneaker straight away, these probably aren't for you. But if you can hold on for a couple of weeks, maybe double sock them if it feels a bit better, and just wear them a bit looser, trust me when I say these bed in so nice and they're super comfortable when they do. You can only lace so many holes up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if you want that full swoosh showing. Insole doesn't remove, it's glued in, so that's another thing that you might not know about. Starting with the tongue, looks absolutely beautiful with that Terrascape and Nike tick. Lovely. I like that. I do like that pull tab. It's really cool. You can pull the label up with it just to like adjust when you've got your foot in the sneaker. You got the pull tab on the back, which does pretty much absolutely nothing, but you can sort of hook your finger under it and pull the sneaker, but it doesn't help you get the back of the sneaker on at all. Padding round the ankle along the sock liner, really nice. It's actually a lot better than my original Terrascapes, which was interesting. The tongue is fairly flimsy. It's a lot less hard than my original Terrascape, so in these they're a lot more comfortable. I haven't got the issue where the labels like hitting my frontal. All around the upper you get a lovely textile mesh all the way around the toe box, along the upper, across the toe box itself, which is really nice. And then you get like this synthetic material running across the top as a tip, but in a different shade of blue, which is really, it's a real nice touch. That swoosh is made of a synthetic leather, which looks really nice in hand. Again, you've got synthetic leather running across the mudguard, and then it runs like a felty material just here, which is different. Laces, soft cotton, but nothing expensive, just your general soft cotton. You've also got these like loops here, so you can put your laces through those loops if you want, just to make them hang out. The heel plate, you got your Nike tick just there, all black, sort of like a synthetic leather material, really nice. You got your eye stays, which are again synthetic, plastic-like feeling material. You want the full check showing, you can only lace 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. You can't go 6 up if you want the full swoosh to be shown. The outsole is made of that translucent material, translucent rubber. It's really nice. Then you got that crater foam on the back there, super dope. A translucent outsole, looks super dope. And of course you've got the crater foam for the midsole, really nice. The translucent outsole does tend to yellow over time, so you can see on this one there's a big difference there in yellowing. That's what it's going to look like after. You can see there's a big difference in colour. And I think this one will look nice with the yellowing, but any sort of lighter Terrascape Nikes, they're going to look quite odd with the yellowing. I don't know, I think they look cooler with the yellowing, man. It just shows that you've been wearing them, you enjoy wearing them, and it brings character to the sneaker, a bit of yellowing. I love it, I absolutely love it. When it comes down to comfort in these sneakers, they're not the most comfortable when you first buy them. They're kind of hard on the outsole. You never really get that instant comfort like you would on an Air Max 90. You can't squeeze that at all, they're solid. But overall, after time wearing, these sneakers do loosen up a bit and they do become more comfortable. I can promise you that. After wearing these over a certain amount of time, they will become more comfortable. You just have to be patient with them. That's all I can advise, really. Take it or leave it. I mean, I love wearing my other ones to work now. They're my beater sneaker. I wear them all the time. The insoles are not the best, and these ones are glued in. So if you want to put other insoles in to make them more comfortable, you have to pull it out. You'll have to rip it out, and that could become quite awkward. So they kind of made them so you can't change them, if that makes sense. The only thing you really can do is a lace swap. But I think overall this is a good sneaker. Comfort, again, you have to be patient with them. When it comes to sizing, if you're a wide foot, I would suggest going at least a half size up. Try before you buy. You can get these pretty much anywhere for a good retail price. I got them for £116 from JD. An absolute bargain. Got 25% discount or 20%, something like that. But yeah, overall, like, it's a good sneaker. I like them. They fit true to size. When you put them, when you put your feet straight in, they do fit true to size. But if you have wider feet, definitely go up half a size. Try before you buy, guys, 100%. Getting down to the rating, I'm going to rate these sneakers just because of the lovely looks. I'm going to give them an 8 out of 10. It's not your best ever Air Max 90, and if you're going to go into a shop and buy these and you're expecting greatness, don't do that. They're made of 20% recycled materials, so you're never going to get that beautiful sort of feeling of a sneaker when you first put them on. But I will say, compared to my other Terrascape 90s, these are slightly more padded, better padding in them than these ones. I had a lot of issues with these. I hated them when I first got them, and now I love them. Overall, the padding is getting a bit better. They're starting to use different stuff on them now. The label is a lot more flimsy. That was my main issue, the tongue. There is a little bit of pain if you wear these tight, but I've managed to tighten these up quite nicely. I have to have that extra lace done up. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is. But yeah, I'm going to give them an 8 out of 10. They're not a bad sneaker, not the best ever sneaker, but on my advice, I would say they're worth picking up. I like the colour. If you did enjoy this video, hit like, subscribe, turn notifications to make sure you don't miss any more of my videos. And yeah, woo! What a nice sneaker. Have a nice day, guys. Peace.